Ryan, any more rain tomorrow?
Yeah, a little bit. Just like today, we saw a couple of pop-up passing showers in the afternoon. That's what we have in store for tomorrow. It's going to be a mostly sunny day with a high UV index. So keep that in mind if you're heading out to the pool or out to the coast. Burn time is going to be very quick in 15 to about 30 minutes with the UV index so high. Let's talk about the weather setup and what we're tracking on this Saturday night, the first Saturday of summer. Again, just like today, coastal showers will form between Corpus Christi, Galveston, and they'll eventually try and make their run towards San Antonio. They're not going to be abundant. It's not going to be widespread, but through tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday, expect spotty showers, and some of those could be isolated storms, a lot like we had today. We just got very lucky in San Antonio, but afternoon downpours will be possible and likely through the end of June. So rain chances stay pretty high in this forecast, at least daily afternoon chances. The morning and late nights are fine, but the afternoons between about 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. is the best window we have for a couple of downpours. Let's talk about the drought report. So this was 3 months ago, back in mid-March. Look at this very closely. This was back in mid-March. It was pretty bad, very widespread, and it's still bad. However, it's slowly and gradually improving. Fast forward to now. You can see the red really starting to back off and diminish. There is still that lingering pocket of exceptional drought across Medina County and western Bexar County, but we're moving in the right direction. And we saw a couple of showers earlier today, some pretty heavy downpours in some areas. Here is the last 12 hours. Partly clouded. There was wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3 around 6:30 earlier tonight. It was a pretty good amount of rain that, again, was primarily focused on the central and western side of San Antonio, out towards like Castroville and parts of Medina County, where some of these radar estimates in some localized areas were ranging from like a ½ an inch to an inch and a half. Not much for the eastern side of San Antonio, but towards Medina County, eastern Bandera County, and West Bexar County, pretty good rain. All right, 79 out the door, 72 at Bernie, 85 at Del Rio, 81 at Kennedy. Here's tomorrow's forecast. If you're grilling outdoors, if you're in the backyard with the friends and family, high temperature in the lower to middle 90s. Going to be a sunny day. Wind speeds 14 to 15 miles an hour. If you're heading to the pool, the UV index, it's going to be high. Burn time 15 to 25 minutes. So please use sunscreen. You drink plenty of water because this heat is going to be very high for tomorrow, especially with the UV rays out there at a 10. Okay, this setup, high pressure to the east, what that's doing is channeling a lot of humidity and a lot of what we call deep tropical moisture. We have a lot of moisture in the air that will squeeze out if triggered by daytime heat, which happens a lot this time of year. Summertime produces daytime thunderstorms, which is what we saw earlier today. And we have that in the forecast through Wednesday and Thursday of next week. It's not going to be a lot of rain, but these isolated showers that form along the coast could easily make a run towards San Antonio, but mostly isolated. But if you do get caught under one, it's a pretty good heavy downpour, and it's lasting for about 10 to 20 minutes. All right, here's your 14-day forecast. It's looking great. High temperature 95 Sunday, 93 Monday. Notice every single day there's a chance at some isolated afternoon showers and non-severe thunderstorms. We're not expecting anything severe in the forecast. Notice temperatures not hot, no triple digits on the graphic, lower to middle 90s for the foreseeable future as we wrap up June.